Quarantine is killing me. It's making it hard for people to hang with me. Quarantine. When can I go outside? Hi YouTube, this is Daria Lore, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a gold glitter half cut crease brown smoky delicious eye look.
That was legitness.
It's quarantine time. I get it. So some of y'all might not be feeling the prettiest or want to work on your craft, and this might just be the video for you if you have a birthday coming up.
It's your birthday, so I know you want to that.
You can do your own makeup, or if somebody does makeup, they can refer to this tutorial. So let's get into the video. For this eyeshadow look, you're going to need first the Morphe Bronze Goals eyeshadow palette, some brushes. Make sure you have 2 flat brushes, because when you want to apply your, don't mind my nails. Ow! When you want to apply your concealer, when you do your half cut crease and your glitter, I like to use 2 different brushes. If you want to clean your brush, no problemo.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
And you're gonna need concealer, eye glitter glue adhesive. It took me so long just to understand what that was.
Brother, this guy stinks!
And some eye glitter of your choice. Make sure that the glitter that you're putting on your eyes is skin safe. Okay, so I'm gonna prime my lids with some LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Light Ivory. After priming both of your eyelids, I'm going to go in first with this shade right here, just to have a nice neutral base. You want to pack the shadow on your lid before you blend it. So I'm using the Motor Pro shade brush, and I'm going to pack all the product in my crease for maximum pigment. Now that the base shade is packed and blended, we're going to go in with this brown color over here, which I already have on my brush, with the same brush. And I'm going to pack that again on my crease because I want to create some depth. So we're going to pack that on the crease. And using the Motor Pro crease brush, we're going to blend those 2 colors out. Swiping motions. Now I'm going to go in with my shade brush once again, and I want to pick out a darker color. So I'm going to pick out this brown right here to put in my crease region again. After packing that on the lid, you want to blend it again with the crease brush. So we're going to blend it out. And really the goal of using so many different shades of browns is to just show how in-depth like your smoky eye is going to be. I'm blinking so much, that's probably so disturbing. Then you're gonna blend it out like so, and you really just want all your brown shades to kind of like melt in with each other. Now before I add any more browns, I'm going to actually do a half cut crease. So I'm going to put a little bit of the same LA Girl Pro concealer on my eyelids, because I have a slightly hooded eye. So what I do is that I look up, and you see it made that mark, so it lets me know where my crease is. Flat brush, this is the brush that you're going to be using, and you're going to want to pack it on your lid and follow your cut crease no more than halfway of your full eyelid. So let's grab some more. Time to make my way to the half of my lid. And while my concealer is still wet, I like to pat it down just a little bit so it doesn't look too harsh, even though we're going to be putting glitter on top. For this next step, I'm going to be using these 2 brown shades down here in the palette. I'm going to mix them up together, And I'm going to apply that to the outer edges of my eyelid. You see it kind of starts to create that darker smoky eye that we want to achieve. And then I'm going to blend it out with my crease brush. Using what's left of the shadow on the brush, I'm just going in at the top and I'm gonna wing it out a bit because I want to kind of form like my eye shape. So now it's time for the glitter. Using a glitter adhesive, I use the NYX one. I'm going to use my second flat brush. And I'm going to swipe it right across where I have my cut crease. Now after I apply the glue, I'm going to go in with my NYX gold glitter. I'm going to put it on the same brush and I'm going to pack it on my lid. And as you can see, it's already starting to come together. Now we're going to dip into these two black shadows right here with a pencil brush and we're going to put it in the lower lash line of our eyelid. You kind of want to form like a mini wing. So we'll do that right there. And then we'll just do that right there. It's like a V. With the smaller blending brush, we're going to blend that out. Make sure you don't bring this up too high. So I'm going to go in with these 3 shades and I'm going to just fill that in a bit more to really show the transition. I'm going to go back in with those 2 black colors and smoke out my lash line with a pencil brush to apply and then a blending brush to blend it out. Now with a cotton round baby wipe or makeup wipe, you are going to fix the edges of your shadow to clean it up. For the most part, we are done, so I'm going to curl my lashes and I'm going to be applying some mascara. I use the Milani mascara. I am also going to be doing the other eye, so I will come back when all of my makeup is finished. And here is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this eyeshadow tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe. Let me know what kind of content you would like to see in the future. If you tried out this eyeshadow look, let me know how it went in the comments. And thank you. Bye.